stat. You're going to continue working. I'm going to add some because I wanted to find two new things. So 10, or what are we on? 10.2-3, 1 proportion confidence intervals, day 3. So what I want to add in is a couple things. So first off, margin of error. Margin of error is simply the width at which a confidence is from the point estimate. So, margin of error, the margin of error is calculated, the margin of error of p hat, that's what margin of error is equal to the standard error of p hat, z star times the standard error of p hat. So basically it's telling you how much you're going to add and how much you're going to subtract. So how much do you add to the center, to the p hat? How much do you subtract? So to get the standard error, all you need to do is multiply by whatever the z star is. Okay? Now, I do also want to define point estimate. The point estimate is the mean of the distribution, So for one proportion, it is p hat. So p hat is our point estimate. All right? So when trying to find a confidence interval, we know that a confidence interval is equal to p hat plus or minus z star times the square root of p hat 1 minus p hat over n. Now, I want to point out something to you. You're going to calculate what this is. You know what that number is, right? You found that decimal. In the homework and the do now question that you're working at, this is the number that you found for the standard error. This is referred to as the standard error. And you found the standard error. Z star in the problem you're working on is 1.96. But what's most important is that this entire thing right here, this plus or minus, is the margin of error. So all you have to do to find a confidence interval is subtract the margin of error and add the margin of error. Now, many people don't find the margin of error specifically. They just do the z star times. But as you can see in today's problem, it could be easier. Now, when we write an interval, we like to write it as p hat minus z star times the square root p hat 1 minus p hat over n, comma, p hat plus z star square root p hat 1 minus p hat over n. But yes, there's a lot of things in here, but these are just 3 different values. I just want to point out, p hat is a number that you're going to know, yes. Z star is a value that you know. And this other one is a number that you find. So you'll find all 3 of these numbers. You need to find p hat, you need to find z star, and you need to find the standard error. So all you do is when you find these 3 values like you did in today's problem, in the homework, in the Last thing I'm going to do. In the do now, number 1, p hat is 0.76, right? The standard error of p hat is, what is it? 0.0147, and z star is 1.76. So you just got to plug these numbers in. Just plug these 3 numbers in, and you got your standard, you got your confidence intervals. That's all I have for notes to add.